If we look in the Sun tab of the Atmosphere Editor in View 7, we have one major change to the way the pitch works when controlling the position of the Sun. In View 6, our pitch slider would start at a value of 0 degrees and go up to 180 degrees, where now we have our pitch going from negative 90 degrees, and then halfway through the slider we get to 0 degrees, and then 90 degrees on the right of the slider. So let's take a look at an example I have set up. And first of all, let's take a look at how this worked in View 6 and previous versions. Basically, we would start with the value of 0 on one end of our atmosphere. And this blue sphere is representing our atmosphere, and then we can see this little object with a light on it representing our Sun. Well, we would start from 0 and adjust our pitch all the way up to 180. So in this case, it would be the horizon on the y-axis positive to the horizon on the y-axis negative. And it would not control our Sun going below the horizon point. And then our azimuth is still controlled the same way, where we would start from 0 degrees and work our way all the way around to 360 degrees. And that's still set up the same. But the change in View 7 now, and I'm just going to reposition our camera so we can see this a little better. Our Sun now starts at the beginning of the slider at a value of negative 90, which is below the atmosphere, and now below the horizon point. So if you don't have an infinite plane in your scene, you'll be able to see the Sun, what would normally be underneath your scene. Now when we drag that slider up to the midway point, we get a value of 0, where the Sun is touching the horizon. And if we increase the slider all the way to 90 degrees, we're going to see the Sun at the very topmost point of our atmosphere.